I call on the Minister for Agriculture, Waterways and Environment, the Honorable Dr. Mahendra Reddy. You're a very popular minister.
Mr. Speaker, I'll keep it short. If the members want any additional information, they can ask supplementary question I could answer. Mr. Speaker, basically the three types of nurseries that the Ministry of Waterways and Environment has developed. One is the seagrass sea meadows nursery. Mr. Speaker, this nursery is very important in terms of its capacity to sequester carbon dioxide. So we have developed that at Nasese, and we also have established one at Maui Bay Resort in partnership with the owners of Maui Bay Resort. So, Mr. Speaker, we intend to extend the seagrass nurseries in other parts of Fiji. Mr. Speaker said that the other nursery, Honorable Prime Minister also did the opening of the Lambasa one, is Vetiver nursery. We have got three Vetiver nurseries established, one in the Western Division, one in Central Division at our Lubu depot at Nosori, and one in Lambasa. Mr. Speaker, I want to take this occasion to thank the Excellency, the High Commissioner of Government of South Korea to Fiji for funding this Vetiver nursery. Mr. Speaker, the third nursery that we have developed is mangrove nursery. Mr. Speaker, the first one, the second one, Vetiver, is very important, critical for riverbank protection program that we have we are executing, and so very important. The third one, the mangrove one, Mr. Speaker, we all know the importance of mangrove, first line of defense for any tsunami and coastal erosion, as well as its importance for the marine ecosystem. So, Mr. Speaker, we have established three mangrove nurseries in Fiji using the Reach to Reef program, and Ministry of Waterways has established a nursery in Lautoka, which we will be commissioning very soon. And from this nursery, we are basically we're using this the seedling for our coastal protection work, where we're doing nature-based solution seawall protection projects. So, Mr. Speaker these are the three nurseries we are concentrating. We want to expand throughout Fiji so that anyone who wants planting material, whether it's vetiver or mangrove or seagrass, they will be able to get it free from here, and we will. The intention is for us to deliver it to them as long as they are ready to utilize their own community labor to plant it to protect and secure their own community, the infrastructure, coastal area or riverbank. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
I thank the Honourable Minister.